This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Wanted to splash up some music a little bit here. In terms of the feature here, look at the expanding diagonal. Bitcoin holding up well after the CPI index. What's important, guys? Yesterday, I provided this leading expanding diagonal that showed this break through the top line resistance. You see this, and then the move down. Look at what we had. Boom, perfect. We had a break through the top line resistance, boom, and then the move down. Freddie, I want to shout out to Freddie. He booked that trade 134%. Bam, way to go. I've also got a trade in Freddie, and we were expecting this price action with the CPI index. The one thing about the leading expanding diagonal is that you're going to have increasing levels of volatility. So very nicely done, Freddie, and all the VIP. I want to shout out to you today. Now, this expanding diagonal, we've seen this before. Please pay attention. Hit the like button if you trade Bitcoin. That's the most important thing here. Do you trade Bitcoin? We want to know, guys. Do you trade? Level of support, level of resistance, a preceding expanding diagonal got a little bit difficult. A fan reversal along the top, institutionally recognized, right? That fan reversal to the top with another reversal towards the upside, and the descending triangle along the top has played brilliantly well. Now, in terms of the fallback features, let's discuss first and foremost. We have two things to discuss. Actually, in terms of the specific bear flag, the market is trying to pinpoint the exact framework of it now. It's a bit messy, this upward sloping channel, right? We have some incredible downside targets. You guys know this. That preceding amplitude move to the downside, just to reframe the possibility, the potential here. We're looking at a move, guys, could be phenomenal. All right, we're going to need some major momentum. By the way, major momentum would have to come into play for us to lose about another $10,000. Okay, so as we would look at the details here in the structuring, I want to highlight one specific fact for the VIP. Very important. A specific fact for the VIP is going to be the following. As I discuss any lower level target, okay, around 10,000 or so, the premise is based upon a return to an ascending triangle prior flat top resistance. Bitcoin loves to slam back down to and through, at times, guys, a prior flat top resistance. Yeah, flat top resistance up and over the ascending triangle, boom. Bitcoin loves to smash back into these. Okay, just that's the bottom line. So as I talk about the weekly, as we discuss the weekly chart, let's dig into this, guys. The specific prior flat top resistance, you got it, guys. That specific move to the downside from the bear flag, I'll say from that bear flag, pardon me, is putting us right at that level of support. But the demonstration on the micro is critical, guys. As you would look at the flat top resistance, ascending line of support, yes, getting us down below that prior flat top resistance would be critical, and it would be in line with the characteristic. For those of you who trade Bitcoin, I know you know what I'm saying. Now, this is the hurdle. This specific prior level of resistance is the current hurdle. We're going to have to power through this if we want these lower prices. And I'll tell you, the key to the macro is often on the micro. That's why we focus so much on it in the back. Now, in terms of Bitcoin, she's performing extremely well today. A lot of volatility. I mentioned whether or not anyone would be in a hedge, okay, a protective hedge. This specific pattern feature, guys, with the trajectory back to the top in and around that golden pocket, it's like the bull somehow, or the price somehow, does not want to give way. It doesn't want to give way to the downside. So one of the natures of the expanding leading diagonal is volatility. We're prepared for it, and I'm excited I was able to prepare the VIP with this specific chart in the back. If you want access to our back rooms, you know what to do. Just go ahead and join today. This link next to Texas, and bam, we'd love to have you in the back. We'll put you in the winner's circle. Go ahead and put I am VIP, ba-boom, on that first pinned tweet, and we'll get you in the back after you join, guys, the top level of membership. Join that top level of membership, okay? And we'll make sure to put you in the back. I'll teach you, I'll put you in your first hedge. Your first hedge. Shout out to Kent Gifford, also to Felix. Felix will be getting on those 100 rounds soon, and Nick Balls will be stepping up to the plate on the 100 rounds. Can't wait for you to start booking that volume of trades, Nick. It's going to be very exciting. So we're going to be paying attention to things like the daily volume, very very important right now. Daily volume, we're going to be looking at that at the close of the day today, okay, because the daily volume is still just creeping down. We need to see some, in terms of a move to the downside, we need to see that daily volume really kick to the upside in terms of becoming red. So we're going to be paying attention to that. In addition, the momentum. We'll be paying attention to this momentum indicator here. It looks as if we are going to the downside, thus any move to the upside would be a bearish divergence. But as you look at the daily, just a quick recap to start your days off, guys. I hope it's going well. We're headed towards the weekend. You guys know that. Holding right now at that 65th, pardon, the golden pocket. The 61.8 to the 65th is that golden pocket, that traditional golden pocket that we talk about. 786 at the 18,657 and the 86 at that 18,294. The full retracement will be the 17,608. We'll be in the back trading. And guys, I will continue to try and provide you guys some excellent resources in terms of the trade dynamics, what to expect. And shout out to Freddie again. Way to book that trade. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. We'll try and stream later tonight. You guys have a great day, and let's get ready for the weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.